3, 2, 1.
We got a Bluetti! We're so excited! This basically is going to be our power station. Being new to the whole camper van conversion and van life, power is really a big issue. And solar and all the hookups, a little bit overwhelming along with all the things we had to do to the van already. So we opted to go for the Bluetti. It's going to help make our lives a lot easier. See, that's a dead one for this. A box inside a box. Has some usages on the side. Shows family, office, travel, camping, business, medical, disaster, and school. This is model EB70. The typical capacity looks like 715 watts. 22.4 VDC and 32 amp hours. The lithium-ion battery inside, 12 to 28 VDC, 200 watts. Rated power is 700 watts, and to a 1400 watt surge as well. It's got USB output, A and C, a cigarette lighter port, which is the 12, DC output, wireless charging pad, discharge temperature below 20 to 40 Celsius, charging temperature 0 to 40 Celsius, working humidity 10 to 90%. That's great because we're in Florida and it's been well over 50 lately. So. I like the box. Good purpose that. I feel like we just got a car or something. We got a certificate for our items. There is a warranty on it, so we'll definitely be holding on to that. Looks like some instructions and a warning: keep power station out of direct sunlight. Luckily, we are in the shade. Alright, they did not skimp on foam. Thank you. Thank you. Nice. That's awesome. And we will definitely repurpose this foam if we don't use it in the van. So we can keep it steady while we're moving. Awesome. So this is probably going to be a charging element of some sort. It feels pretty heavy. So there's multiple ways we can charge this. We can charge it in the wall, like a regular outlet of the house. You can charge it through solar panels, which is one of the ways we are going to be using it. You can also charge it through your car's cigarette lighter. And and they all plug into this. And it even has a little strap inside too, so you can keep all your wires together. And they load with it. Convenient.
Yes. Recording, opening a box.
What's the rest of the equipment for? They're cameras, so we can record it from different angles.
Open boxes?
Yeah, you never watched a YouTube unboxing video?
No.
You gotta look, man, they get a lot of hits.
Thank you.
You guys know you're watching this, right? Alright, now to the good stuff. Let's see how heavy this sucker is. The box is pretty heavy, but the charging thing was. Ooh, okay. Not terrible. More foam on the bottom. Bluetti coming through, making sure their product arrives to you safely, because it's no good to you if it's broken before you even open the box. Ooh. So right on top, there's a wireless charging station. So if you have a compatible item, you can place it right on top, and it's going to charge for you. Ah, beautiful. I love it that way. It's got a flashlight on the front, so in case you want to walk around with a, I don't know how much it weighs, a 40-pound flashlight, you got it. But hey, inside the van, it might really come in handy for us. It's also got the DC outputs here. You can see our 12-volt charging unit, places for our USB, a bunch of AC outputs as well too. This is really going to be a lifesaver for us. And we absolutely love how compact it is as well. It's not going to take up a huge amount of space inside the camper van. And they also have some nice venting on the side. Cool. Backside's pretty plain, but it does have some information on the back. And then on the other side, we have some more venting too, just to make sure that it stays cool while it's being utilized. So we'll definitely have to keep that in mind when we're making a spot for it in the camper. We don't want to have it too boxed off, so that way the heat, isn't affecting anything. We want to let it breathe. And that's it. It's our Bluetti Powerstation. This thing's going to come in clutch. You can find us at Bluetti's website, or you can go ahead and go to Amazon, which is where we went. We did check with the Bluetti, and they do still honor the code if you buy through them on Amazon. The warranty, excuse me. We'll voice that over.